Bow Windows Smithtown are a popular choice for homeowners in Smithtown, NY, seeking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Custom Bow Windows Smithtown offer a unique design that can transform any room by providing panoramic views and increased natural light. Bow Window Design Smithtown is tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of each homeowner, ensuring a perfect fit for any architectural style. Energy-efficient Bow Windows Smithtown are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Bow window materials Smithtown, such as vinyl and wood, are chosen for their durability and insulating properties. Vinyl bow windows Smithtown are a popular choice due to their low maintenance requirements and affordability. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an ideal option for the harsh weather conditions in Smithtown, NY. Wooden bow windows Smithtown, on the other hand, offer a classic and timeless look that adds warmth and elegance to any home. Bow Windows Smithtown is a service provided by experienced bow window contractors Smithtown who specialize in upgrading and enhancing existing window installations. Whether you're looking to replace outdated windows or improve energy efficiency, Bow Window Upgrades Smithtown can provide the perfect solution. Bow Window Solutions Smithtown are designed to meet the unique needs of each homeowner, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free installation process. Bow Window Repair Smithtown is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Regular bow window maintenance Smithtown can prevent costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your windows. Bow Window Experts Smithtown are equipped with the knowledge and skills to address any issues, from minor repairs to complete replacements. Affordable bow windows Smithtown are available in a variety of styles and designs to suit any budget. Bow window styles Smithtown range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect option for their home. Bow window options Smithtown include a wide selection of colors, finishes, and hardware to complement any interior or exterior design. Bow windows Smithtown are customizable to fit any space, providing a tailored solution for every home. Bow window customization Smithtown allows homeowners to select the size, shape, and configuration that best suits their needs. Bow window enhancements Smithtown can include additional features such as built-in seating, storage, or decorative elements to further enhance the functionality and appeal of your windows. Bow window benefits Smithtown extend beyond aesthetics, offering increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced views. Bow window features Smithtown are designed to maximize these benefits, providing a comfortable and inviting living space. Bow window trends Smithtown continue to evolve, with new innovations and designs emerging to meet the changing needs of homeowners. Bow window specialists Smithtown are dedicated to providing high-quality installations and exceptional customer service. These professionals are knowledgeable about the latest bow window innovations Smithtown and can offer expert advice on the best options for your home.